Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator 22 on keyboard and mouse on Xbox. First, connect your keyboard and mouse directly into the USB ports on your Xbox console. It's a simple plug-and-play process. Next, ensure your game is completely updated to the latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. Finally, open the in-game settings to confirm your new input devices are recognized and ready for use. This setup takes just a few moments. Once your setup is complete, mastering basic movement is key. Use the W, A, S, and D keys to control your vehicles and walk your character around the farm. The left mouse button is your primary interaction tool. Click it to activate implements or perform various actions. To get a better view of your surroundings, simply hold down the right mouse button and move your mouse to look around. These fundamental controls will get you started. Now let's delve into more advanced farming operations. To connect or disconnect implements such as a plow or a trailer, simply press the Q key while near the equipment. If you have multiple tools attached, the G key allows you to cycle through them, selecting the one you need. And to activate or deactivate an implement like turning on a seeder or a sprayer, just press the B key. These actions are crucial for efficient farming. Finally, let's talk about navigating the game's interface. To access the main menu, pause the game, or open the shop, press either the S key or the P key. Once in the menu, your mouse cursor becomes invaluable for selecting options, buying new equipment, and managing your farm. For quick transitions between your various vehicles, simply tap the Tab key. This allows you to jump from your tractor to your harvester in an instant, streamlining your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.